There we go, fish on, good one.
Oh my God. Good morning, Noodle. You gonna catch some fish today? What do you see out there? The lake is that way. I don't know what you think you see over here, but all the action's about to go down right in that spot. Well guys, what's happening? We are back on the scene today. I've got a pretty exciting video for you guys. It's finally gotten nice in Texas. I'm able to not have to wear like a parka while going out and fishing. The first day I was here, it was like 48 degrees, blowing sideways. It was raining hard, but it's nice. It's supposed to be up to like 70 degrees, so we're gonna take full advantage of that day and do some kayak fishing. I'm actually with a videographer and a subscriber. His channel name is That Bass Fishing Dude. I love that name, it's so dope. And he has introduced me to this spot. He's like, yo, I got this little zone. It's pretty good, you should check it out. So seeing as Alex and I, and of course Lucky had nothing going on today, we were like, yeah, let's look up and do some fishing. So if you guys want to check out his channel, I'll leave it linked down below, but we are going to get in the thick of it. This is a really sick little spot. I've never fished here before. Obviously he said some good things about it, so I'm excited to, of course, get after it. We got 2 yaks. I got 2 12, what are these? Are these 12? They're 12 7s. Wow, this is a big boat. So we're gonna take both these guys out with the, what do you see over there, Lucky? Come on, let's go fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna get all rigged up, ready to go. I'm gonna waste no more time and we're gonna go catch some fish. Stick with it, stay tuned, and enjoy. All right, we are getting rigged up right now. I'm gonna throw in a Saucy swimmer. I am so pumped to throw this. Look at this. This is the bigger one. This is the 4.8. I'm gonna throw this on just a weedless hook, a little blade. It's actually called it's a flashbang. It's a good little piece of tackle to throw on this Saucy swimmer. Lucky, why are you crying? You should be stoked. We're about to crush. Yeah, she wants to go chase some bobcats. I don't think that's a great idea. I'm gonna say you take a knee on that one, Luck. Oh man, this is gonna get a fat nib. All right, we're set. So we are officially out here right now. I am just stoked beyond belief. It's been a minute since I've been on the kayak. You guys have really been asking for more kayak videos. So here we are, we're on the yaks. Today's goal and mission is to fish basically a flooded pond. We've had a ton of rain in Texas as of recently, so it means that a lot of this water's been pushed up to the grass, and now trees are underwater. So we're gonna throw the Saucy swimmer, we're gonna throw the blooper, just try to catch fish today. Right now, my biggest Texas fish of fall is that big, so let's try to shatter that. I'm in need of a good bite. Come on, Lucky, let's get him. Water's like not that dirty, but it's at the same time like not great. There's no reason for them not to be shopping. Ooh, that grass feels good though, man. I really like that grass down there. That's that sauce. Giant, biggin'. Well, why you gotta leave your fluorocarbon out for me to get hung up on? Like, listen here, guys. If you break off on a limb and you leave it in the water, trust me, I'll find it. That is my sole duty, not to catch fish or anything, but just to find your fluorocarbon. I really am curious as to what's attached to this. I hope it's like a Mega Bass Vision 110 or something like that, like a $300 lure. That'd be pretty dank. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna get to the culprit here because whoever did this is an absolute doozy of a job. Like the whole tree, man. You caught the whole tree. That was not exciting at all. It was a freaking jig. I guess that's like a little swim bait. Wow, uneventful. I was hoping it was like a $400 swim bait. Big disappointment. Whatever, we'll clean it up anyway. Ouch. Oh God, that hurt. Swim bait time, Lucky. Right to the tree, nice. There we go, I'm on, fish on, finally. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a good fish. Let's go, baby. On the swim bait, on the swimmer. Oh my God, come in here, you saucy bass. Dude, that is a good first fish, my God. I did not think that was gonna happen that quick. Ooh, check it out. Mission success, baby. Saucy swimmer, 4.8 all day. Check that out. I don't know if my GoPro got that when I set the hook. Just push the GoPro all the way up. There we go. Nice Texas bass in the morning. I'm feeling it. That got me really pumped. I'm still a little sleepy, but that for sure woke me up on the Saucy swimmer. 4.8 size. Hell yeah. Back she goes. See ya, buddy. Nice. Nice fish. To kind of set the scene for you guys, all morning I've been really sticking with the blooper, which is obviously a good bait, but right now these fish for some reason aren't looking up. I've not seen a single fish bust all morning. So I decided to switch over to a moving bait, that being the Saucy swimmer. There's a ton of grass in this little lake, so I figured rigging this weedless with a little underspin at the bottom would just be so perfect for the conditions we have. The water's a little bit dirtier than normal apparently. It's flooded, and throwing a bait like this is just good, especially if you've already got like bait about this size in the lake. And I have been seeing some little shad flicker here and there. Such a nice little lure. My God, that was awesome. That kind of surprised me, honestly. It's so weird. It's like I'm fishing obviously for a bass, and I was like, oh look, a fish. Threw me for a loop. Popped it right out of the grass, and he hammered it. Hammered it, Lucky. That's sick. Better be a freaking donkey on that dock. Better be a donkzilla. Doinkzilla. Guess that means the water's way up. Jeez. That's insanity.
There we go. Fish on. Good one. Good fish.
Absolute giant. Absolute giant. Absolute giant. An absolute giant. An absolute giant, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. An absolute giant. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do not come off. Do not come off.
Dude, look at the size of that fish. What is right, dude? What? Dude, that is a stud.
Oh, now I get it. Now I realize why I left Massachusetts.
Let's go, baby. Woo!
Oh my God, barely hooked too. On the Saucy swimmer. Biggest fall bass of the year for me right there. Let's go, bro. Right up on the shore, dude. Crushed it. Crushed it. I just want to give you guys an up close look at this dude because this is such a quality fish on the Saucy swimmer. My biggest bass yet for sure on the Saucy swimmer. Just a quality fish. Crushed it in a few inches of water. What a stud. I'm gonna get a few pictures and then send him back on his way. Yes. Wow, gorgeous fish. What a fish. What a fish. Wow. Come on, Bubba. Kick off now. Go home. And see you later. So good. Just a silent celebration on that one. I feel so pumped after that. That fish, actually, this is so funny. Right where the kayak's right now is exactly where that fish bit. Right here. Just chilling up in the shallows. This flood, I think, has got these fish pushed up for sure. Ooh, it feels good. Let's go get some more. It's gonna be tough to beat that though. Unreal. Wow. Spoke too soon. Texas is showing out. Just a few days ago, I had some of the toughest fishing in my entire life. And following that was today, where we've caught like 2 really good fish right off the bat. So epic, man. So epic. And to catch them on the Saucy swimmer is even cooler. I love catching them on moving baits this time of year. It's so much fun. Also, to kind of put this in perspective, this is how much rain we've had in Texas. This is apparently a dock, and it's completely underwater. So yeah, the water's for sure up. Not necessarily a bad thing, honestly. It sounds like we needed some rain in Texas. It's been super dry this summer. And this rain is good. It's gonna help fill these lakes and these creeks and these rivers back up. So these fish have some water to thrive in. I'm all about it. Your boy about to pop one right here. Look at this little grassy point. So this is kind of what I'm looking for right now. I'll admit it can be a little bit daunting to fish flooded lakes, but sometimes it can be really good. These fish can oftentimes get pretty predictable. Some of the best fishing days I've ever had is after a really heavy rain. Oftentimes it'll push the fish up shallow and they'll move on to little areas like that grassy point right there. And that's kind of where that, you know, big fish came off of. It came pretty close to the bank, and you wouldn't think that would happen with the water moving up like just a little bit. Like they follow that current, they follow that water level, and they put themselves in areas where they know they're gonna, you know, be able to ambush prey like bluegill and shad. What I'm trying to imitate right now is just some sort of bait fish. I'm throwing this little saucy swimmer up shallow, reeling it in real slow. I'm making sure that I'm keeping contact with the vegetation down there, like the grass. If I'm not touching grass, I'm not like having any confidence. Like I want that swim bait to be pulling out of the grass. That's how I got that first bite back there, and that's how I've gotten a lot of bites in the past too. So there's grass in the water that you can't see, and there's also emerging grass, which you can see. And a little bit of both is good. So yeah, I'm just slow rolling this deal. Throwing 15-pound test with a 7.3 rod. Just kind of ticking it right over the grass, bringing it through sometimes. Fishing shallow, fishing deep. There's definitely some fish deep right now, but you know, after catching those 2 fish and between a foot and 4 feet of water, I'm trying to focus in on this this shallow water bite. I think it's working. I think it's working. Skirt, skirt, lucky. Whew. She's ridiculous. Oh, look it. Look. It's a good luck frog. Check it out. No way. Ah, I got you. Oh, I had you. Look how tiny he is. Bro, he's just chilling now. He went from like thinking that I was gonna eat him to now being very cool with me. It's tiny. Lucky, it's like the size of you. It's little. It's a little frog. All right, my guy, it was great hanging with you, but I'm gonna send you back home because you have some growing to do. Anyway, as you can see, we've made it back safe and sound. That was such an interesting day of fishing. Well, we caught some big fish today, and we got to test out the saucy swimmer, which by the way, caught all the fish today. I want to make a note of the fact that each day that we've gone out and fished in Texas, we've caught 2 fish. So we're on an upward trend of size, but the numbers kind of is sticking with the same. I don't care. I'd rather catch like, you know, 2 giants than a ton of little ones. But it also started to blow like crazy. Like it is just straight gusting out there. So we decided we'd do the most logical thing and get off, because fishing on a kayak when it's blowing 100 miles per hour is not the most ideal thing. So we're gonna wrap everything up, get everything back into the rig runner, and peel on out of here. Oh my God, we did it, you guys. We broke the small fish curse here in Texas. For the past 2 days, I've been running around the ponds and lakes, creeks and rivers. I just haven't had a whole lot of luck. A lot of tiny fish. I just need to like hone in on my southern skills. But I believe Lucky had fun today. She was thoroughly enjoyed. Right now she's on the squirrel hunt. Lucky, just leave the squirrels alone. They don't want to play with you. I have no idea if she wants to play with the squirrels or eat them or what, but she always goes after them. And when we were fishing today in the trees, since it was a kind of a flooded lake, she would hone in on the squirrels. Anyway, amazing day. Huge shout out to the Saucy swimmer. Also, huge shout out to the Bass Fishing Dude for taking us out. Where can people find your stuff? Instagram, YouTube?
That Bass Fishing Dude, all one word, no spaces on YouTube, _ that Bass Fishing Dude, _ again, no spaces on Instagram. Holler at me. That's where I'm at.
Easy enough. Also, fun fact, he is the tallest YouTuber on planet Earth. Yeah, 7 foot. When I first met him, I was fishing a little pond, and he was coming out, and we had some chatting. Actually, we have a few mutual friends, and we both like bass fishing. We both make videos, so that's why we hit it today. But this is all him. This is his spot, his zone. So it's always great to show a little gratitude when you have another bass angler kind of unleash their honey hole to you know, someone they don't know very well. But that was so dope. Again, be sure to check out his stuff. We are definitely picking up the fish. I think I've been fishing every single day since I've gotten back, so it's really good. I feel like I'm rambling at this point, so we're gonna get these monster yaks back on the rig runner and the beast. I don't even have a name for this thing yet. What do I call this thing? Anyway, we're gonna get them back up on the vehicles and head on out of here. I'm gonna sign out right here in this parking lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, be sure to check out the merch, Lunkers TV, John B, One Rod, AP Bass, and Lake Fork Guide, Flair, and all the guys. Be sure to check out the Googan merch, linked down below. And don't forget to get some saucy swimmers. Do not sleep on those baits. They are absolute money. As you saw today, we caught some good fish in very tough conditions. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the view. And as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.